Let's make a crochet shoulder bag from t-shirt yarn. Start with slip knot. And a chain, 36 total. Row 1 start with 1 chain does not carry the other stitch, and a single crochet into the 36 chain back bump. So work with 6 single crochet total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Mark it. Then 24 half double crochet. Keep repeating, see you there.
24 half double crochet นะ
And we have a 6 chain back bump
back
left.
bump left แล้วก็
Work
ทำ
6 single crochet. Now row 1 done. Next, row 2, turn your work. There is a stitch and front loop only, but we're going to work along the back loop only. This.
ทำ
Start with 1 chain does not carry the other stitch and 6 single crochet along the back loop only.
back loop only 1 2 6 นี่ turn next and then half
Then
double
24
crochet
half double crochet along the back loop only.
24 half double crochet
And 6 single crochet. Repeat like row 2 until you reach your preferred range. I made 17 rows or about 7 inch. this easy crochet project, but I didn't rush it. I took a little break, then crochet again. Join the new skein. Crochet while keep all the tail inside. Leave it there, I will keep it later. Next, for the side, place the stitch marker as the stitch 16. Row on for the side. Start with one chain does not carry the other stitch, and this is a stitch. We're going to work with the for loop only. So make a 16 single crochet. And row 2, 3, and 4 work along the stitch. See you at row 4. Done. This is the outside. You can see the unworked loop. Then we're going to seal it like this. So leave the long tail before we cut the yarn. Do the same in this side. Make a slip knot. Then mark the stitch at 16. This side will work along the back loop only. Pull it through. Crochet while keep the tail inside. Start with one chain does not carry the other stitch. Then work 16 single crochet first into the same loop. Work across all the stitches. Row 2 to 4. Mark the stitch. 16 count from the left. So we have 4 stitches in the middle. Outside. Place it together. Insert the needle into the back loop only. Make a double stitches at the starting. Insert the needle through the side stitch and into the back loop only. And do it again. The first loop is too big. I insert through the back bar like this, through the stitch and into the back loop only. Keep doing next stitch and loop. See you there. The side 4 rows with 4 stitches. First into the same stitch through the back loop. All done. Keep the tail inside. This is how I keep all the yarn tail. Make a wrap loop into the back of stitch. Insert the needle into the back. Go back 1 stitch and insert the needle. And make it twice. Keep doing the same in this side. Pull the slip knot through this loop. strap start with 2 chain does not count with either stitch, and work 3 half double crochet first into the same loop 1, and next 2, 3. Turn your work and 2 chain, then 3 half double crochet along the back loop only. Keep repeating. Then sew it. Add the magnet for closure. All done. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye.